What if this simple image could make $25? This looping video could make $149, and this weird AI image right here could make $57 without you even knowing what it is. Sounds crazy, but this is exactly how people are making passive income with stock images. After testing hundreds of ways to make money online, this might be the laziest one I've found so far, because it took me around 10 minutes to set up, and now I control everything from the back end while AI does the heavy work. So in this video, I'll show you the exact two-step system you can use to build the same setup. And make sure you watch until the end, because I'll show you the strategy that separates people who make $10 a month with stock images from people who can scale it to $1,000 plus per month. But first, let's understand the business model, because it sounds weird. Like, why would someone pay for a simple AI image? The truth is, creators, bloggers, and business owners need images every single day. And most of them don't want to waste time testing 20 different prompts, fixing bad results, just to create one image. So instead, they go to stock image platforms, search for what they need, and download the image that fits their project. And the proof is the monthly visitors these websites get. Millions of creators visit stock platforms every month looking for images they can use. That's where you come in. You create useful images, upload them to stock platforms, and when someone downloads, you can earn from it. And the best part is, one image can stay online for years, which is why we call it passive income. Now you may say, but stock images are competitive. Yes, they are. That's why I'm going to show you a smarter system that helps you create images based on what people actually need right now, and then automate most of the work with AI, which we'll see in step 1, setting up the AI automation. We have 4 tasks that we want an AI to do. First, go and analyze what's trending right now on platforms like Reddit, X, and Google Trends. Then take that trending topic and turn it into 2 angles. The second task is, for each angle, generate 5 high-quality images in different aspect ratios. The third task is, generate the right metadata that helps the images rank when someone searches for that trending topic. And the final task is, send everything organized to us on a chat app like Telegram, so we can see everything clearly like this. And we want this to repeat 2 times a day. So I tested a lot of AI tools and agents like Claude AI, Manus, OpenClaw, and much more. The most important factors for me were high quality results and the cheapest option, or even a free one. And the only option I found that made sense is Minimax. It's one of the cheapest AI agents out there. But before we set up the automation, let's test it with a hard image prompt that includes text elements and blurry details. It's actually a team of more than one AI expert, each one with their own role. And there's another one just to confirm the result. So if it doesn't like the output, it will send it back to regenerate everything. And there you go, our image with the highest quality possible. So yeah, we confirm our pick. Now to set up the automation, we need to download the app version. It will look like this, a simple chat with M-Code, our AI assistant that will do 90% of the work. First thing, connect your Telegram from here so you can receive all the resources created. You only need to create a Telegram account, then create a bot by searching for BotFather. Click on New Bot, name it something, then give it a username. The username should end with bot. And that's it. Take the token, place it here, and now it's connected. So go back to M-Code and click on Schedule. This is where we will put the 2 daily tasks we talked about. Now hold on and give me your 100% focus. The top selling types of images are backgrounds, normal images, PNG elements, and vectors. Can you create all of them? No, because quality is better than quantity. I don't want you to do what some YouTubers say, like those 24-hour challenge videos where they publish 1,000 images and only get 300 accepted. Because if you don't have a strategy, like the trending topic method we're using, you'll end up making $10 a month. You could make more doing almost anything else. So in my case, I'll choose normal images and vectors. But that's not enough. We're not publishing random images in random niches. Once you choose the type of images, pick a proven niche that already works, like business, food, travel, beauty, or fitness. They all work, so I'll pick the business niche. Then I created the unlimited prompts we'll need for my 2 types of images. Now let's say you want background style images in the fitness niche. Just take that prompt, paste it into M-Code, and tell it to change these 2 variations, image style to background and niche to fitness, and it will instantly give you the prompts you want. Now let's go back and complete the automation. Click on Schedule and paste here the type of images you want it to remember. And this is where you will put the prompt we created. So I'll click on the first schedule, take that prompt and paste it here. For the time, it depends on your free time. I did one at 1 p.m. and the other one, the vector task, at 9 p.m. because that's my free time. Now, once it hits 1 p.m., you will see from here that something is running. It automatically starts the job while you're just watching from the back end. If it asks for permission, you can select Always Allow, so it won't ask again. Then I hear a Telegram notification, and there you go. We received them exactly as we wanted, with the metadata, different aspect ratios, and everything organized. And without even talking too much about the quality, this is the best part. But still, keep searching for image upscaling platforms to boost the quality even more. Now, what if you miss a scheduled task because you didn't open your laptop? Easy problem. Just go to Schedule and click Run It Now. It will start the other task anytime you want. And again, you will receive everything on Telegram. I honestly don't know what this one is. Is it a brain or a motorcycle helmet? But all good. If you see other best-selling vectors, you'll understand why this works. Now we have everything ready to move to step 2, uploading the images to stock websites. And please don't just randomly publish those images. Create a brand first in your niche. So I go to Namelix, and with just one keyword, I get multiple brand name options to choose from, like BizPic. Then take that name to any image generation platform and create a simple logo. After that, search for Adobe Stock Contributor and set up your account properly. Take your time filling in all your private information. Once your account is ready, you'll see your dashboard like this. Hit the upload button, then drag and drop all your images. Now select them one by one before submitting. For the file type, select photo if it's a realistic image and illustration if it's cartoon or AI art style. For the category, always select your niche. In this case, it's business. Then select created using generative AI tools and also select that the people and property are fictional. Adobe Stock supports AI content, so don't worry. Most buyers usually care about the best result, not whether it was made with AI or not. Now add your title and tags, then submit it. And just like that, you can submit all your images, vectors, and any other image types. Sometimes you'll see that M-Code generates more animation-style images, like what happened the next day. It only created one realistic image, and that's normal because in the prompt I told it to choose between realistic and animation depending on the trend. Now you just wait for approval. AI-generated images can take some time to get accepted, but let me be clear, this is not a get-rich-next-month business. If you stay consistent with it, it can build a normal passive income depending on how much work you put in. But if you want to scale this and maximize your earnings, there are actually two ways that I don't think people want you to know about. The first way is the looping video strategy. This is one of the best things people buy and use in their long videos, desktop backgrounds, and more. And the best part, it works in almost any niche, even business. Once you get your images, take one, re-upload it to M-Code, and ask it to animate it using the image as the first frame and the end frame. I'll put that prompt on the blog so you can get the highest quality possible. That's actually great. And we all know videos usually pay more than images. Even vector images can be animated, and people can use them in their own projects. And with that same prompt, you will also get the metadata for the video. Now, the second way that most people ignore is to publish widely on different platforms. There are a lot of stock image platforms that allow AI images and videos. You can keep the AI automation doing its work, and your only job is to publish everywhere. And this is another lazy side hustle we built with Minimax. Quick note, M-Code's new token plan gives you M2.7 coding, Halo video, speech, music, and image generation all in one subscription. You'll find the link in the description to get an